Hi, this is Jose Fuentes here. I'm a certified nutritionist and the founder of Shapes Arrange Supplements and the Tornado Bodybuilding and Sports Performance Supplements. I wanted to present to you today one of the flagship products that we have here at the Shapes Arrange store. It's the Tornado Fit Mix. It's a pancake mix based on many different elements. It's becoming a culprit for a lot of people that want to engage into healthy eating. You can use them for anything you want, breakfast, lunch, dinner. They're great, they're thick. You get a tremendous amount of protein for a pancake mix, 30 grams. It's not one of those cheap, full of cholesterol, full of sodium kind of mixes. This is a very clean mix. You don't need anything, doesn't have any flour. It's made of 9 great grains. These grains are based on a lot of fiber, contain a lot of fiber. You have the flax seeds, you have brown rice, you have quinoa, you have everything you need, not just to stay fit, but also to nurture your body properly, your digestive system. Whether you're a bodybuilder that are looking for more protein in their meals, pure digestible protein, or you're just somebody that's on a diet that wants a healthy option. These guys are the best. They taste delicious. You can mix them with anything. As you can see, we like them with strawberries, blueberries, and all kinds of berries mixed there. And also you could do them with mango, you could do them with bananas, you could do with anything you want. Try them out. We have our new size here, the 5-pound mix. We started with the 3-pound, now we have a 5-pound. They're really delicious. You have to try them. You get them on sale at our website, shapesarrangestore.com. Leave a comment, ask any questions, try them out. Jose Fuentes, certified nutritionist and the founder of shapesarrangestore.com. Thanks a lot.